Do you have a CV that looks boring and uninspiring, like this, or this? But do you want a professional looking CV that looks like this, and this? Easier to create than that standard, boring, and uninspiring Microsoft Word version of your CV that you currently have. In my previous video, I referenced how I was able to create a professional looking CV that created quite an impression on the interviewer. Another example of this is when I went into interview for the job I've done now. I went beyond the typical standard CV and created what I would call a new style, new generation CV. I made it look professional, beyond just a white page with black space. And the experience I got from that was extremely positive. And although I'm not saying it was the sole reason that I got the job, it was certainly a contributor to showing the quality of work that I could perform in that role. And I believe it was a good, positive first impression that enabled me to be successful within the role that I currently work in now. We're just going to get stuck straight in, and I am going to be open and honest with you about what this program actually is. For this professional looking CV is an online tool or graphic design tool called Canva. Down in the description below, I have linked over to canva.com, which is where you can create your professional looking CV. I certainly believe that the free to use option of Canva is more than enough for most standard people to use. But if you do get along with the tool and you do like the tool, then you can sign up to a premium subscription, which will give you access to additional features, additional templates. I believe it's about £9.99 a month for the premium subscription. I will just say and be open and transparent, if you do sign up to my link down below with the Canva platform and you sign up to a paid subscription, then I will get a slight commission for every sale that is made through my link. But that goes through helping me to support this channel, reinvest in the channel, and create better quality content that can provide more value to you. First thing that I want to talk to you about is templates. In my video, I referenced the CV that I had made was made using a Canva template. Canva has a fully equipped library of professional templates, which on screen now I'm going to scroll through a few examples of CV templates that are available free to use on the Canva platform. These Canva templates are designed by professional graphic designers, and for free of charge you can utilize those templates, update the information within the template, and then use that for your own CV. It is as easy and as simple as using a Word document, but the benefit of getting professional results. So for the illustration of this video showing you exactly how you can amend your template, I'm going to run through now. I'm going to dive into the computer and start from scratch how I would create a template and showcase to you a few key features that will enable you to create an absolute A-game curriculum vitae. So let's get stuck in with that, and hopefully this is where the real value in this video will be for you. And what you'll see over on the first screen, when you log in, you'll come into the Canva portal. As you can see, you can design videos, presentations, an A4 document, a resume, Instagram post. This is what I use to create my full YouTube channel. What you can do is you can just type in CV in the top. What it will do is it will bring up a full list of CV templates. So you can see all of these different CV templates. So there are some which fancier looking white blank space, but you can see that there's some really nice looking CV templates. And what you can see is when they've got this little like crown here that says Pro, it is a Pro application software. Whereas on a such document like this, it hasn't got that, so that means it's free to use. So I had a question asked me whether I could provide at a cost, a blank template of my CV. I wouldn't want to take credit out of that CV, so I'm just going to show you that the one that I actually used was this one. What I like about this one is it's quite simple, but it's very effective. So you can open the template up, and you can see here there's a photo. So what I can do is I can come into there, I can find where I've uploaded photos into, I can find my picture, and let's say I want to put this picture in it, I can paste it in, drag and drop. Can align it so it's centre of the picture, and then my name's there. You can update your name just simply by pasting text. You can add in your job titles, your finance business partner. And then you can, if you've already got a CV which you're happy with the content on, you can literally copy and paste what you have into there. If you want an introduction, look, you can say motivated and effective finance business partner, proven by track record and the securing of a 5-year multi-million pound deal with customer X. Time period in there, company name, job position, achievements. You can add in your phone numbers, email, address, education. You can then put in your education, so what university you went to, what college you went to, any skills, key skills you have, any different languages. But if you want to, you could change this to hobbies, and you could say like video editing and graphic design. You can change it and tailor it. And then what you can do is you can add another page. So by coming up here, you can click this button and it will duplicate the page. And then you've got more space if you want to. And you can see very easy and very quickly, it's super simple to create your own professional CV. And I'm going to be honest with you, the CV that I did in this Canva tool took me about an hour to produce. I already had my offline CV, so I was able just to copy and paste from that template in my Word document into this Canva template. And within minutes, I had an effective CV that was able to really, I believe, create a very, very good first impression at my interview for my current role. Now, you've done your CV, it's ready to go, and you want to export it. How do you export it? So you come up to the top and you can see there's a share button. So you click share, and then it will give you the settings of what file type you want to export it as. I recommend for a CV doing a PDF standard. You'll get a very good quality CV, it's uneditable, and it is a very small file size. So you can hit PDF standard, you can select which pages you want. So let's say you've only got one page, and then you can hit download. You can then open that up straight from the download section and you'll see your CV. And most recruitment processes, or all recruitment processes, will accept PDF as the preferable file type. And I can assure you that if you can produce a CV in a template that looks like it does on the screen now, you're going to stand out versus a heck of a lot of candidates in the recruitment process. Now that was almost just a short, simple and whistle-stop tour to the Canva tool that you can use to create an effective CV in barely any time at all. If you do have any questions on the Canva tool, then please do feel free to let me know down below. I'm more than happy to answer any questions. I've been using Canva for about 2 years now and I absolutely love the tool, and I think that you will too. So make sure you check it out by clicking my Canva link down below, signing up and getting the most out of the free to use software. And I can assure you, not just with your CV, but anything you need to do that you want to make look good, Canva is a fantastic option for doing that. It makes graphic design extremely simple. But that is all from me today. Thank you for watching this simple video on how you can make an excellent professional looking CV. I look forward to the next one and I'll see you all over there very, very soon. Goodbye.